Hi, my name's Jennifer Angus, and I am an artist presenting flying jewels and other lofty insects here at the Frederick Meijer Gardens and Sculpture Park. Now, when you walk into this exhibition, you are surrounded. This whole space is a piece. There are no labels telling you what this is. It's to be taken as a whole. So this installation really started because it was inspired by this metallic green beetle. And if you look closely at the wall, it's in fact wallpaper. It is metallic or iridescent. And that might not be noticeable when a person first walks in. This jewel beetle was really important to the color concept. You can see it also has dark wings, and that's reiterated through the shelves and these black cicadas. The exhibition has approximately 1,000 insects on the wall, and those insects are reused from exhibition to exhibition. So anything that gets broken is fixed with glue, and we put it up high where no one will see it. Now, Alice in Wonderland, she followed the white rabbit. Here we have the black rabbit, and that was very intentional, to kind of suggest a world askew, a slightly dangerous place with the black rabbit. In fact, just inside the doors are 2 Wardian cases that contain carnivorous plants, so another sign of danger. And within these bell jars that are on the 4-tiered tables are sort of, I don't want to call them dioramas, but they are their own little worlds. And typically you will see that insects are standing on their rear legs. They have been anthropomorphized. And one of my goals of this exhibition is to have people think of insects differently. So within the insect jelly, you see an insect that is attached to some kind of botanical. The color is a natural colorant. It's made exactly the way jelly is, with pectin, sugar, a natural colorant, and then I put it in a canning pot. It's sealed with beeswax, and I hope people will visit the exhibition and really, quite frankly, be amazed by insects and leave thinking about them differently.